Hello student friends, I am Kesavamurthy from Coimbatore. We continue to look at various mathematics formula which are required for our Ntse exam. So in this video, we look at the formulas related to ratio of percentages, quadratic equation, averages, mixtures and some numbers. We'll start up with numbers. So if the numbers are in the form a power n minus b power n or a power n plus b power n, then the following rules will apply. If the number in the form of a power n minus b power n, then it is always divisible by a minus b. When n is even, it is divisible by a plus b also. If a power n plus b power n, that is a power n plus b power n, then this is never divisible by a minus b. And when it is odd, it is divisible by a plus b. Product of any two consecutive integers is always even. Out of any three consecutive integers, if one of them is divisible by 3, then the product of those three integers will always be divisible by 6. These are some of the points you need to keep in mind in case you look at the numbers. Then let us look at the chapter called Profit and Loss Account. This is a very important chapter. Questions come almost invariably in all the competitive exams. So let us look at. In a profit and loss account, so one of the thing is new minus old divided by old into 100 will give you the percentage change. If it is positive, then we can call it as a percentage increase, and if it is negative, then we will call this as percentage decrease. If the new value is k times the old value, then percentage increase is k minus 1 into 100%. That is, if the new value is 3 times more than the old value, then the percentage increase is 200%. Then SP minus CP divided by CP into 100 gives percentage profit or loss, where SP refers to selling price, CP refers to cost price. If this is positive, then it is a profit. If it is negative, it is a loss. So if they give SP and they ask for CP, then CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus the profit percent. I repeat, if they give SP and they ask for CP, then CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus the profit percent. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. This marked price is also known as listed price or tag price, etc. If cost of C items is equal to the selling price of S items, then if C is greater than S, I repeat, if cost of C items is equal to selling price of S items, if C is greater than S, then it is a profit is equal to C minus S divided by S into 100%. If C is less than S, it is loss, that is equal to S minus C divided by S into 100%. That will be a loss. So these are some of the formulas which you need to keep in mind in profit and loss account. Now we look at the formulas in averages and mixtures. Now this is very important. Now sometimes you have to find weighted average value of a quality of a mixture. So weighted average value of a quality of a mixture, that is P is equal to P1 V1 plus P2 V2 divided by P1 V1 P2 V2 divided by Q1 plus Q2. Then quantity of cheaper goods divided by quantity of costlier goods is equal to rate of costlier good minus average value divided by average rate minus rate of cheaper goods. I repeat this thing. Quantity of cheaper goods divided by quantity of costlier goods is equal to rate of the costlier good minus average rate divided by average rate minus rate of cheaper goods. If there is P volume of a pure liquid initially, and in each operation you take out the Q volume and replace it with the water, then at the end of n such operations, the concentration of the solution is P minus Q divided by P whole power n. I repeat, if there is a P volume of pure liquid initially, and if Q volume is taken out every time and is replaced by water, then at the end of n such operations, the concentration of the solution K is equal to P minus Q divided by P whole power n. So these are some of the formulas related to average mixtures. Now we look at the formulas related to quadratic equation. Quadratic equation also is very important chapters. You know, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Any equation of this form is called quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation, then the alpha and comma beta is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is, one of the root alpha is equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another root beta is equal to minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. The sum of the roots, that is alpha plus beta, is equal to minus b by a, and the product of the roots is equal to c by a. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the roots are, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. If b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the roots are rational and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and if it is a perfect square, then roots are rational but are unequal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, and roots are irrational and it's unequal. That is, b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 and not a perfect square, then roots are irrational and unequal. So these are the formulas related to quadratic equation. I hope these formulas in mathematics will be useful to you. I think with these 4 videos, we have completed almost most of the formulas in the mathematics subject. And hope it will be useful, and then if it is useful, you will share it with your friends. Thank you.